Hi there, 7th graders. It's Mr. Kurt, and welcome as we get going on week 4. We're going to be learning about ancient Egypt. We're going to be doing a Freyr model, 2 Freyr models actually, and a discussion this week. So let's get going. First of all, just want to remind everyone as we come in Monday mornings, you're watching this video. Of course, you're going to be checking your grade book. You're going to be checking for any feedback on graded assignments, making sure your grade is where you want it to be, and any feedback so that you can make sure you do other assignments correctly. So of course you're doing that. You're checking for messages. Looks like I have 3 here, so I better get on those. And also you're checking your text messages and your email on a daily basis. Also, last week we talked a little bit about going into this tips, tricks, and student resources. If you have any questions at all or just on a general basis, going in there and checking out those things. I also want to remind you about our syllabus. And maybe every other week or so, just go into the syllabus here. It's in the, in case you didn't see that, let me make sure you know exactly where we are. So on the materials page, in the start here folder, and go into course and instructor info, and then click on the syllabus, and just go through and skim over it. It's about grades, technical advice, late work policy, attendance policy, grades, all of that good stuff, and go through and just review that. It's just good to review that syllabus on maybe every couple of weeks to make sure we're all on the same page. So Unit 1, Week 4, Ancient Egypt, as we go into this. So just pop through everything. We have a John Green video to get us started out. These understandings, I'd like you to read through. These are the things that we're going to be thinking about this week. So definitely get a good idea in your head as you read through those. Now these Freyr models can be kind of tricky because if I open this one up to show you, they're actually these 4 boxes. Let me see if I can open this up. And it can be a little tricky as you do them. So you're going to have a word or saying in the middle here, which is about ancient Egypt. And then in these 4 boxes, you're going to put the definition, facts and characteristics, examples, and non-examples. And you'll go through and read the directions. If you have any questions, let me know. But sometimes it's a little bit tricky trying to format either a Word document or a Google Doc or a PDF, how you want it to do that. If you have any troubles along those lines, just let me know. Sorry, let me get that out of the way. And let me know. And at the end of the day, if you're having trouble trying to format stuff, do it with paper and pencil. Take a picture and submit that into the Dropbox is perfectly fine. And then the other assignment, so you will have 2 Freyr models to do, and then you have a discussion board. Please go back to the last 2 discussion boards we've had and look at any of my feedback. If you didn't get 100% on those, really want to make sure that people are following these directions. Read through all these directions. We're looking for direct quotes from the readings and videos to provide evidence for your opinions, well thought out, descriptive ideas with supporting evidence. And facts, details, quotes, examples, and analysis are expected in your replies as well as your original post. Okay? Posts will be 40 points. Replies are 30 points each. All right? And make sure you get those posts in nice and early in the week so your classmates have plenty of time for doing replies. So suggested schedule here. Again, goes Monday through Friday. You'll see the due dates originally will be for Friday. You do have the weekend if you need it, but let's try and get everything done by Friday so you can have the weekend to yourself, so you can maybe watch those CU Buffaloes win their next game, or have some time to go for a hike in the mountains. Speaking of Wow Wednesday, Lair the Bear on Wednesday. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you later.